going on the Mako. I mean, no, I'm just kidding. We're going on the Kraken. POV first, I think.
But it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah.
Oh, so we got off the Kraken. It's pretty good. First time on this B&M.
So like literally subscribe to him because he's actually cool.
We got off the journey to Atlantis, and oh my goodness, I'm soaked, like unbelievably soaked. It's unbelievable. So, guys, we're gonna go walk around the park, dry off because I'm soaked. But again, this is the holiday special of the vlog, so I do hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, well, those piers the ride, as you see, is not operating anymore. So instead, we're just gonna look at the beautiful penguins, which is pretty cool. Thing about these Antarctica penguin thing is it's freezing cold. The Mako right behind us. Hey YouTube. See, everyone likes the hey, what's going on YouTube? Anyway, we got off the Mako, great ride. I was afraid my camera was gonna fall off like 50 times. You can ask people who are riding with me.
Oh, you see the camera?
It's like a jet thing.
Now it's time to go on Infinity Falls if it's open, so let's go do that. Yo, so we just got off of the water ride, Infinity Falls, and it was pretty fun. Other than I got super soaked on that ride, and we rode it like twice. Oh my goodness, again, you got super soaked on that ride, so that was interesting. But yeah, my feet are like sopping wet now. And anyway, we're gonna try to find lunch. It's gonna be a mission to find lunch. We don't know where we're gonna be going, but let's see if we can find lunch, because the place we wanted to go originally, the Spice Mill Grill, was closed due to, I guess, they don't have the staff to operate it.
Too many times we made the call that this is it, let's break it all. All the love is made up, baby, drink up, this is our stuff. Yeah, so we've sinned.
Hey guys, as you can see here, we had the pizza and the garlic bread. It was only cost us like $13, and we also got water. Save us on the cheaper side. So again, we're trying to show you how you can go to the theme park on a budget. Again, today's tickets, due to the Florida resident discount, was only $60 to get into SeaWorld. So yeah, overall, again, a super great deal when it comes to going to these theme parks during these times of year, especially during this whole pandemic. Anyway, who knows what we're going to be getting into in today's episode of the show. We may be doing a whole lot more. Again, hope you are enjoying it nonetheless. And again, this deal, the Expedition Cafe, super great deal. Yo, so we just got off of the B&M here again. Oh boy, that ride literally, that pulls a lot of G's. It's really interesting. There's then that loop over there. Really interesting G's in the ride. Guys, we are in the shark encounter, and so going to be fun again. The shark encounter, it's pretty cool, but the coolest part of the shark encounter has to be that big 360 tunnel.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it.
Yo guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm leaving.